Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get food recipe in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the food recipe, you need to go to the cooking store. You need to find this Massimo, Chef Massimo, and talk to him. And then you can select the cooking store and you can scroll down guys until you find the food recipe. Okay, and you can choose the food recipe that you want to purchase, and I'm going to purchase this fish and chips recipe. Okay, and you need to level up your cooking hobby if you want to unlock more recipes. And yeah, just like that. And you can use the recipe to cook um the food. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the food recipe in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.